doing a time lapse or something like that. It didn't capture it the way I want it to, but it looks pretty nice. And as soon as I get done rolling it, it just like unleashed a lightning bolt. That looks pretty freaking awesome, man. Let's see if it's gonna lightning like it did. Because that was 10 minutes worth and it turned out to be under a minute. I think it's every 10 minutes it does that lightning bolt type action. Freaking awesome, man. I like watching lightning. Interstate. Every time. These people, man. I think it's going to do it again. It looks like something off of a what is it, one of those deals, like microscope. It's not that bad though. It could be worse. Starting to rain a little heavier now. Got a little bit of pondage. Can't really tell. Slow down there, buddy. Going a little too fast. You might slip and fall. We don't want you falling. Right, it's not gonna do it, but I bet you when I turn off the camera, it's gonna do it. What's up, Walmart? Wally World. You're blocking my lightning views. Come on, Walmart. Trying to capture the lightning, but it's failing. I'm supposed to be going inside that store, but as you can see, there's not major pondage, but it's pondage out there. A bunch of water. Sorry about that, guy. It's I had autofocus locked. Let's see if we can zoom in and see it. You really had to do it. You can kind of see it. It's not much pondage, but it's there. It's there, buddies. It's about maybe 2 inches. Close enough. But I guess I'm going to end it. But I guarantee you the lightning strike is going to strike. Alright guys, it ain't gonna do it on camera, so I guess I cut my losses on it. I waited out almost 7 minutes.